अस्सलाम वेलकम टू व्लॉग। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप लोग सब खैरियत से होंगे। टुडे आई विल स्पीक इंग्लिश बिकॉज इट आई मेक दिस वीडियो फॉर माय इंग्लिश व्यूवर्स who can understand only English. Today I came for the grocery shopping. After grocery shopping I make the recipe of biryani. That's why I speak English, because uh, I want to show the recipe to my English viewers, because every Asian knows the recipe of biryani, but some friends or some uh, people don't know how to make biryani, and so that's why I want to show them how I am cooking. So there I have done my grocery, and then I make the marination of chicken. I started first. I take the yogurt and ginger garlic paste and lemon. As you can see, first I add yogurt. Uh, so ginger garlic paste is 2 liter spoon. Is too much small spoon, and but I take 2 spoon. And then green chili. You can crush the chilies also. I added more chilies in my biryani. Too much spicy, horrible spicy, but I like it very much, so I put too much spice. Its taste is very good, and you can taste. You can try at your home also. Now there are all spices we will add in biryani chicken marination. So first of all, I put all spices in my shelf, and now I am putting. There is a garam masala, is ground flour, ground flour, ground spice, and then with cumin seeds. I will write the spices name in this description. You can also see the description for spice name. Is coriander powder, red chili powder, I will write down the in description the spices name if you don't remember, but there's a lot of spice. Turmeric, we can say it also a kurkuma, I think, but it's turmeric in English. Then is chili flakes, salt is according to the taste. Oh, it's too much. I know you say, you think why she puts all spice and cardamom, and I added also a clove, and there's a wooden, I forget the name, but I will write in the description. Now the marination is ready, and then I will put the chicken in it. And first I will cut in the center of the chicken. Just I show you in the, just like that. That's it. In this way we will cut the chicken and marinate it, and we can marinate 4 to 5 days also, but this chicken I marinate it in only one night, and after one night I will take it out and cook. I marinated chicken in the Thursday, and Friday I cook. Today is Friday, and I also recording for you. And now the chicken is to be rest in the fridge. Now say bye bye chicken. I will Bye Bye has a very was a very funny story in my at my job. Okay, the chicken marination. I cooked the chicken marinated chicken, and there I put the water in the rice, and water is boiling. After the water boil, I boil the rice, and the chicken is ready. And other thing is the green mint, fried onion, tomatoes. I put in the plate. Everything is in the plate, and then after cooked the chicken and boil the rice, I will make the layers in, and then I put the ladle for a while. Now I add the egg yolk color. Food color is a food, just a food color, not anything. Now I put so much small low flame and cover it with the lid, and now biryani is ready. We have to mix it. Now it's a final look. It's so much tasty, so much tasty. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like it.